Okay, on this Landrover Discovery 4 2011 model, we've supplied and installed a Thatcham Category 2 insurance approved touch key immobiliser there. You see the receptacle on the dashboard. Each time the ignition's turned off, the LED on the receptacle starts to blink to indicate that the system is automatically armed. The vehicle will then not start unless that LED is extinguished. You do that by pushing one of the two supplied touch keys into the receptacle, which puts the LED out and allows you to start the car. So if we attempt to start the car now, we've got the push to start button there, foot on the brake, we've got nothing at all. There we go. Okay, so what we need to do, one touch key, simple brief push there, LED goes out. Now we're back up to the dashboard, push to start, foot on the brake, engine starts and runs. There we go. Now, as I say, once you switch the ignition off, push the start button, ignition off, after about 20 seconds the system arms itself. All the time the LED is not blinking, you're able to start the car again without touching a touch key into the socket. Once the LED starts to blink, the system's fully armed, vehicle protected again against unauthorised movement with stolen or cloned ignition key. Insurance approved, Thatcham Category 2, keeping your vehicle safe, your insurance company happy. Give Autosparx a shout.